Your Tuka topic is describe a life-changing lesson you learned.
Life has taught me a number of lessons, but if you ask me the most important one which changed my life was way back in 2019, where I was young, but not so young to understand what's going around me. So this is about my father. My father is a businessman and he is a workaholic person. And when he works, he forgets about everything, about his family, about food, about water, his health, everything. And he keeps his dedication towards business. Even that where there was also time when he used to work 12 hours in a day, and this his reckless behavior resulted in some kidney infection, and which he ignored and thought it might be a small problem, but the small problem ended resulted in his both kidney failure, and the doctor said there is an urgent need for kidney transplant operation, and there was also a requirement of the donor, kidney donor. So doctor said the donor can be parents or siblings, but unfortunately all of them stepped back. But this is not how the story ends. Here comes the hero of the story. She is my mother. She not only donated her kidney, but she stood dedicated. She was more powerful than my father. She gave him strength even. And today, years passed of this incident, but still she still takes care of my father more than herself. She always take care of his medicine, his checkup, his monthly, bi-monthly checkup, his yearly checkup, about everything she take care of. And today my father is fit and fine just because of her. So this incident taught me that sometimes we should keep work aside and take care of our health, our family, and especially of those person who stood by us in the hard times. Hard times not only give us pain and trauma, but also the real value of the people, and we get to know who stood by us in the difficult times. We should be thankful, we should show our gratitude towards those people and respect them, and take care about our health and family should be the first priority of everyone.
Okay, Jyoti, for the next part, I'll ask you a couple of questions relevant to this topic. So my first question is, do you think schools should teach life lessons along with academic subjects?
Yes, I definitely feel that school should include life lessons along with subject, because academics are important for enhancing their knowledge about their studies and curriculum activity. But the life lesson teaches the students to teaches the moral values, as we all know that India is known for its tradition, and the tradition is somewhere slowly getting extinct in the especially the new generation. So if we add the life lessons in schools, the children will learn more moral values about their tradition, about their rituals and everything. So they will become valuing. They will become more gentlemen.
Okay. What are the most important values you learned from life?
There are many things, good things which I learned from my life. First, the very first is honesty. We always say honesty is the best policy, but it is actually the best policy. An honest person is known for his personality of honesty. There is no, if you say the person is honest, we actually create a good image for that automatically. And when we speak lie, we actually have to speak more lies and more to hide our dark reality. But if we are honest, no one can question us. Second thing I learned is dedication. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do, maybe good in your business, in your job, in your studies, you require one thing, that is dedication. If you are dedicated towards that, you can definitely achieve anything you want. And third thing I learned is consistency, because as I have given two boards, 10th board and 12th board, I have learned the value of consistency. To be very honest, I was not consistent in 10th class, and because of that I didn't get a good percentage or the my targeted percentage. But in my 12th class I was really very consistent towards my studies, and that consistency gave me the my more than expected percentage. So it's not only about studies but about life. We should give always consistent effort. The failure comes and goes, but consistency and effort should never stop.
Okay, that's all for today. Let's call it off for today.